you doing?
Getting the stockings down.
Whose is that? All right, go sit on the floor, Michael.
Go sit down.
Spider-Man one. Michael got a Spider-Man.
Wait, let him open it. Put it down.
Sit down, Michael. What did Santa bring you in your stocking?
All right, go stand over there, buddy, so I can... Michael, what'd you get?
Oh, the Spider-Man plane. Mama, you can
It's a hat and gloves.
I got something too.
Yeah, you can open it for Luke.
Why don't we leave Luke here? And he can open it when he wakes up.
Yeah.
Michael, you might have some more stuff in your stocking. Where is it?
In your stocking.
Look what I have.
What is it?
Bubble bath.
Whoa, Anna's wanted some new bubble bath.
Gosh, Anna.
I'm gonna share with Michael.
Oh, good.
Hey Mom, what's in mine? Mama,
That's a Spider-Man hat and Spider-Man gloves.
But Mama, Luke can't be in the bathtub with this in it.
Oh, is he too little?
Yeah.
What hurt his eyes?
Yeah.
What else did you get?
There's a
Candy cane. Anna loves candy cane.
Michael, what else is in your stocking? Did you get anything else? Look in your stocking.
Oh!
What is that?
What are those, Anna?
Candy?
What kind of candy is that? Those lemon heads?
Yeah.
Alright, keep looking.
Michael likes lemon head, so I'm gonna let him have them.
No,
Oh,
that was
sweet.
nice, Anna.
Yeah, that's so sweet.
But maybe he got some of his own, too.
Yeah, maybe.
Big bag. Hey, you can take those on your trip.
Hey, you're from Papa.
No, it's from Santa. Oh, his sucker too.
I'll
Wow.
let you have this one.
Anna, you're being so sweet, Sherry. Michael, why don't you look in your stocking?
Michael, look in your stocking. You probably have some more presents in
Look in
there.
here, Michael.
Another candy.
Look in here, Michael. What did you get? What did Michael get?
Yay, thank you for my Tic Tac.
Santa, thank you, Santa.
Whoa, what'd you get, Michael?
Dude.
What is that?
What is that, Michael?
Superhero underwear.
Michael, awesome. What is it?
Michael, tell us what that is.
Oh, man. Hey, Mom, I want to open it.
Okay, we'll open it later. Keep opening your presents, buddy.
What else is in your stocking?
Keep looking in your stocking, buddy. It's right here. Look. Take your stuff out. You got some more presents, it looks like.
I know this big present.
We're not opening the big ones yet. In a few minutes. What's that, Mike?
Anna, look. Luke just woke up. You think you can help him open his presents?
Yeah.
There's Lucas. Hey,
Hey,
Lucas.
look at your present.
What did Luke get?
No, those are your presents, Michael.
Mama Jane.
Give it to him. Look.
Hi. Look what
He just
you
woke
got,
up.
Michael.
All right, Anna. Go get your big one and bring it over here.
Wait, she's helping Luke with his stocking.
But Luke's too tired.
Look what Luke got.
Oh, cool.
Whoa. Luke, you got another car.
Michael, you got a lot of cool stuff there.
Look what else Luke got.
Oh, he probably shared those with you guys. Good job.
I know what the Hey, look, a candy cane. And that's all Luke has.
Santa brought you a candy cane?
Of course. I'm gonna let the little kids have the Tic Tac.
Oh, Michael, you got Tic Tac. Michael got Tic Tacs too.
All of us got candy.
All of you guys got some.
Hey, buddy. All right, Anna. Who wants to go first with their big present? All right, go put it on the table or on the footstool.
Is that one yours? How do you know? Does it say your name?
I got open my I got what's these?
Those are lemon heads, buddy. We can't have. It's too early for candy.
How?
You just rip it.
Rip open the paper.
Anna, move to the side so I can see. Stand over there. Anna.
Stand on the side here so Daddy can see you open it. Yeah, right there.
Hey, look, I opened them.
Oh, good, Michael. You gonna have one?
Again.
Michael, you turn over like this.
What is it, Anna? A lump of coal?
It'll come out. What is that, hon?
Is it a lump of coal? What is it? What is it, Anna?
Is that what you told Santa you wanted?
Yes. I want to take this off.
Okay. You want me to just pull it off?
Yes.
Okay, let me get inside out. So it doesn't poke you.
Michael, look what I got in my present.
Michael, look, Anna got a unicorn pillow pet. There we go. Anna, look at
Anna,
it.
give it a hug. Give it a hug.
Anna, lay down on it and see how it feels.
Yeah, try it out.
Whoa, look how cute it is.
Hey, babe, look!
Luke's got all the candy canes.
Yeah, those are my candy canes.
It's okay. Alright, get Luke's big present, Anna.
Is there any more presents under there for somebody?
Here's the present.
How do you know it's Luke's?
Because I saw that.
Don't eat all of them. Just have a couple, Michael. No, we'll put them away. You could have some more on the
All
card.
of us have one.
Alright, open up. Put it next to Luke and open it with him. Because he's too little to open it by himself.
What did he get?
Alright, Michael, watch out.
Guitar shoes.
Guitar shoes.
awesome.
Give them to him. See if he likes them.
Michael, it's your turn to open your present.
Go get it for him.
Michael, open your present.
Oh, Michael got a big present too.
Michael, open your present for
Open your
Anna.
present, Michael.
I got a biggest present. Mama.
Yeah.
Alright, be quiet now. Watching Michael now.
Star Wars.
What is it?
Star Wars.
Star Wars what?
Star Wars? It's a Star Wars box?
Yeah, eat this.
Well, open it up and see
Open it,
what's
Michael.
inside of it.
Open the box. Open the box. Here. Sit here. Let's see what's inside of it. Ready?
Yes.
Well, we gotta take this part
Can
off.
I eat my candy?
You can have a little bit, sure. Anna brought that for you.
Alright, now take the lid off. Take the lid off the box, Michael.
What's inside the box? Open it up. What is it?
What is it, Michael?
Sun super shoes.
Where are they, Michael?
Wow.
What is it? They,
Sun super shoes.
you like those?
Yes.
Are those the ones you wanted?
Yes, those are the ones.
Wow, Santa really must have thought you guys were good. And I go see if Mommy and Daddy got anything in their stocking.
Where would these stacks go?
Right here, buddy.
You got some in your stocking?
I did. Will you open it for me? Sit down right there and open it for me and then see what's in my stocking.
That's like my stuff.
After you eat your stuff.
Alright, everybody say Merry Christmas. Anna.
Wait, Anna, before we go, you have to sing the song about when Santa got stuck up the chimney.
Sing it right into the camera here.
Okay?
When Santa got stuck up the chimney, he began to shout, "You girls and boys won't get any toys if you don't pull me out. My beard is black with soot in my sock, my nose is tickling too. Went down and got stuck up the chimney. Hatchoo, hatchoo, hatchoo."
You know any more Christmas songs that you want to sing before we
That's
go?
good. Michael, will you sing Spider-Man?
Spider-Man, 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 but Spider-Man, and what in
Look at the camera, buddy.
Get please, oh, why, watch out, Spider-Man. So
That's
it's
what-
Red Spider-Man.
Okay. Oh, Red Spider-Man's good, isn't he?
Yes.
What about Luke? Luke,
Luke.
can you say ba 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 ba?
And I got like the robot.
Oh, I got some candy.
Alright, everybody say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Mama got.
Yeah, I can't. Peach Trolleys, she loves those. What else did she get?
Yeah.
Hey, God, I got Tic Tacs.
Yeah. Ooh, I
Whoa.
love those chocolate hearts. Oh, my favorite.
Michael, you're dropping them.
And grandmas don't get that much. You only got 2, Mama.
Oh. That's
all.
good. That's all I wanted.
Are you wanting the candy today? Daddy, you got some?
Okay, will you
Open
open,
Daddy's.
will you
Sit on
open
there and
it?
open
Let's see what I
Daddy's.
got.
Yeah? I'll find out.
Wow.
Whoa, I love dots.
You could save them to go to a movie someday.
Yeah, I might do that.
What else did he get?
Tic Tac.
You got
All right.
Good job. All right, everybody say Merry
What else did I
Christmas
get?
and thank you,
Merry
Santa.
Christmas. That's all.
You say thank you to
That's
Santa?
all, Daddy.
What do you say to
Thank
Santa?
you, Santa.
Michael, what do you say to Santa?
Thank you, Santa.
All right, that's enough candy, buddy. Can you close the lid? Save the rest for later. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Luke.